Hello Rennie, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for 2005 Yamaha Vmax 1200. They have 35,477 miles and price is $63.88 plus HST and license. This motorcycle comes with a lot of accessories that the customer put on, like the lever and levers, mirrors, turn signals, windshield, engine guards, and exhaust, and also they put LED tail light. This motorcycle is fully safety certified, ready to hit the season, and it's available at this time. If you have some time, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. And I'm very happy to secure this motorcycle for you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you.